I'm Lan-Tien Hsu, and I am now a third-year Ph.D. student at ICAMS at RUB. I'm doing material simulations on ferroelectric materials. Before that, I graduated from material science at FAU Erlangen-Nürnberg University, and before that, I graduated from chemical engineering at National Taiwan University. So I've been at several events or workshops that hosted by research school, including the research day that focused on scientific communication and research career in Germany, and also science colleague for LLM and how to use them for our research, and also many workshops. And those I'm particularly benefit from those for project management, communication in critical situation, and also scientific thesis writing. The workshop for communication in critical situations really have a long-lasting effect for me because for me many times science is, beside the research part and analyzing part, a big part of it is communicating why is this research topic important to your supervisor, to your colleague, and why should you be supported to do this, and also to broader audience at conference, for example. And sometimes there will be conflicts, and sometimes the conflict is not even scientific, but it happens in a scientific environment. And then as PhD student, it might seem to be quite critical for us because we're not much established in this academic world. But in that workshop, I really learned from the lecturer how, not just the material, but also how she conducted, really helped me to use that practically in my daily life. Beside all this workshop and soft skill courses, I'm really very grateful that this year I was funded by research school for a 6 weeks research day at ETH Zurich, and also 1 week at Graz for an international conference for our field. So I was funded for the accommodation and transportation, and this is what made this possible for me. Yeah. The research day, even though it was 6 weeks, so not a very long one, but many things happened there. And in terms of research, there was a completely new topic for me. I did machine learning there, and I haven't used this technique. I haven't trained one before that stay, so it was a lot of learning for me. And beside this, just being in a different environment, it's a different research lab that focus more on fundamental method, which is different from the lab I'm in now, and also different country. There's different cultural aspect, and also the group member come from that group that I visit. The group member mainly come from Germany and Switzerland, so it was quite different. And just beside the lab, beside all this academic stuff, the life is also quite different. So there's a lot of new things for me, and many good things. And there's also some frustration. I shouldn't ignore that. And that's very important. And what I meant was, I see the difference in the way we approach a research topic, in a way we chat, in a way we look at the world, because for the chattings, and these make me think. And also part of the frustrating was because I was trying to integrate into them, but it was such a short time, and but most importantly, I noticed how different people can think based on the background, and they kind of all make sense. So I think that just broadened my aspect of looking at the world. Yeah.